Clayton Miller was 17 when his body was found in a New Waterford brook on May 6, 1990. The family was told Miller's death was an accident, but they have always believed police were responsible. In July, the Millers and their lawyer held a news conference where a videotaped interview with former Cape Breton Search and Rescue Coordinator Brian McDonald was played. In it, McDonald says he and his team searched the same area where Miller's body was found the day before and didn't locate anything. The family was hoping the case would be reopened.
This file should have been closed when it was closed in 1990. Unfortunately, it keeps coming back, so we don't have any intention to reinvestigate this matter.
Ron McDonald says CERT was unable to locate recordings confirming a search was conducted on May 5, 1990. CERT can't explain the witnesses' comments.
This never happened. Unfortunately, the gentleman who said it happened is mistaken. Why he's mistaken, I can only speculate as to that.
McDonald says the witness is known to be elderly and unwell, but admits CERT never actually spoke with him.
We had the benefit of his interview already that was done on behalf of the Millers, so we didn't really have a need to in that sense because we saw what he had to say.
Maureen McDonald isn't surprised CERT doesn't want to reopen her son's case, but can't believe investigators wouldn't speak with Brian McDonald.
I think any investigator would go and question the person to get a feeling of where this person is coming from. I have never met Mr. McDonald, nor have I ever spoke to him or influenced him in any way.
Kate Boyle, a lawyer working on the Miller case, calls CERT's report disappointing. Boyle says the witness provided a thorough recollection of what happened to lawyers last year.
That is a major problem from our perspective that calls into question really the thoroughness of this investigation, of whether they're going to reopen it or not.
Boyle disputes the fact CERT says there are no records about a search happening. She says a law firm requested files from police some time ago and found a handwritten note with the names and phone numbers of search and rescue officials.
There's just no explanation of why there's a list of Cape Breton search and rescue individuals in the police file if it didn't happen.
Natasha Pace, Global News, Halifax.